Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting started cutting out a circle right here for a Santa Maria attachment on a Weber grill. Just need a circle cut out for the base of it. Using this little homemade circle burner on the HTP plasma. I need to get me a better circle burner. This one gets the job done, but it gets a little worrisome. I'd actually got another one, but it doesn't fit this torch. If I had a lathe, I'd just bore it out, but I don't want to try to bore it out with a file or something and get it uneven. So I jumped back on this grill I was doing. I was out there cutting, and that's why I went ahead and cut that ring. I needed to get that plate off the table. But I'm back on this charcoal grill. This is the side door that I'm mounting on. Kind of doing both of these at one time. These little hinges, I burn my hands every time I do it without a glove. I only got my thick gloves right now. The thinner ones done burn up. And it's hard to hold it up there with those thicker ones. And hold the little spacer in between them. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this knocked out, and then we'll take another look at it. And that'll pretty much do it on this. I had it just about wrapped up, except for the doors and the tables. Just got to get it painted and everything. I'll push it to the side and jump back on this attachment. This is a little ring that fits around that circle I cut out. This roller does good with this 1-inch flat bar. It kind of bends it and twists it, but you have to get it back straight, but it does pretty good. And it's just a matter of getting it tacked all the way around. This is the uprights that sit on top of it. I put marks on the ring and marks on the uprights and everything. help get it lined up. You can't see them there, but that little piece is just to hold it together while I was getting it tacked to the frame. Here I've got the rod in. This circle is just for the spring latch where it catches in. And that pretty much does it on there, except for the expanded metal on the rack. I don't have any. I'm supposed to get it in a day or two. And get that thing painted up and it'll be finished. And that's pretty much it. I went ahead and got the rack finished up and got it painted. And like I say, it fits on top of the 22-inch kettle grills, Weber or Smoky Mountains, or there's probably several different brands of them. And then there's just a spring latch right there by the handle. This is the grill. I got it done also. It has 2 racks and it's built with 3/16 steel. Has the side door. There's gaskets on the doors. I'll have my email in the description box. If you're looking for a smoker or grill, Santa Maria's anything, you can shoot me an email and I'll get back with you. That'll pretty much do it for this one. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.